Primary School, we acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land, the Bunurong people on which we stand today, and recognise their continuing connections to the land, water and culture.
We pay our respects to their elders past, present and emerging.
Australians, oh let us rejoice, for we are young and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil, our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains then let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Good afternoon everyone and welcome to this week's Cranbourne Primary School Weekly Online Assembly. My first message this week is focusing on SWPBS for next week. We'll be looking at the value of responsibility, specifically in the classroom, and that is we walk inside. And I know your teachers will be working with you on the value of responsibility in the classroom during the week next week. I must say congratulations to our students. I get many visits to my office each day, many visits from children right across the school, from prep to 2 to 3 to 6 to 5, and the list goes on. When students come in, they not only share with me what they've been doing at school in their learning, things they've been doing out of school on weekends, and how they've been making good choices with their work at school. Now, I would like to say well done everybody. It really brightens up my day when I can spend that time with our students hearing about the wonderful things that you're doing. The next point is last Tuesday evening we hosted a information night, and that information night was for the families who will be having prep students starting at the school next year. It was just fantastic to share about all the wonderful things we do. And I say a really big thank you to the prep team of teachers and the office staff for working so hard behind the scenes. I know many parents were really excited to meet the staff, hear about the wonderful things, and I know they're really looking forward to their children starting at the school next year. Today our preps are participating in a visit, Connecting Two Worlds. It's a wonderful day of cultural experience and activities from what I've seen. I want to say congratulations, children. You've had so much fun, and I really enjoyed seeing all the excitement and enthusiasm you showed during the day. My next message is next Tuesday evening. I will be attending a special awards night hosted by Cassandra Fernando, one of our federal members of Parliament. And that awards night will be conducted at the Cranbourne Secondary College Theatre, and one of our students in Year 6 will be recognised for outstanding achievement during Grade 6 throughout the year. I can't say who that student is, the family knows, but it will be a surprise, and I'm really looking forward to sharing that information with you at next week's online assembly. Final reminders: hats, helmets and reading. Reminder to wear your hats outside during the recess and lunch breaks, on the way to school, on the way home from school. Even though we've had a lot of wet weather lately, wearing a hat not only protects your head, but it may even assist in keeping you dry. Reminder about helmets: if you're riding a scooter or bike around, please ensure you wear a helmet and ensure the chin strap is clipped up under your chin. And finally, please remember to read every single day, even on weekends. All right, thanks everyone. Keep up the great work that I see around the school, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye now.
look inside.
Be responsible and keep each other safe.
Alright, stop, look, listen. Stop, look, listen. Excellent. Okay, can we please all walk down to the floor? Guys, off we go.
Next week, SWPBS is in Urdu. Is hum ahista classroom में चलेंगे.
Hi, my name is Nai, and I'm from 3MW, and as part of my SWPBS award, I'm gonna be filming myself with my persuasive item, my bank. And a fact about my bank is that if you pay me $1,000, then you get triple the amount. How cool is that? Amazing.
And what's your motto?
My motto is your trustful Australian bank.
Hello everyone, who's ready for a joke? Now it's getting close to the end of the year, and with that comes Christmas time, and after that it's New Year's Eve before we head into our new year. So this week's joke is all about that. I would like to know, how do ducks celebrate New Year's Eve? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work it out. All right, let's see how you went. How do ducks celebrate New Year's Eve? With firecrackers. Have a great week, everyone. See you soon.